Welcome to USAdrop Warehouse. Today we are taking you behind the scenes to show you our step-by-step logistic process, ensuring that every order is inspected, packed, and shipped with maximum quality and efficiency. Let's get it started. It all begins with a rigorous quality control inspection. Every product that arrives at our warehouse undergoes a detailed check to detect any defects or irregularities. If any issues are found, the item is immediately rejected or returned to the supplier, ensuring that only flawless products proceed to the next steps. In this phase, we use advanced condition cameras to visually document each item. These allow us to track the entire product history and ensure it has successfully passed the first inspection before moving on to the third and final quality check. If any concerns arise, we can review the recorded images to confirm the product's condition. Next, each product receives its shipping label, which includes the SKU code and the exact quantity of items to be packed. This process ensures accuracy and traceability, making the logistics more efficient. Before shipping, every product undergoes a third and a final verification. If everything is in perfect condition, we attach the shipping label printed in the only previous step. Only approved products move forward, ensuring zero errors in the dispatch process. Now that the item has passed all inspections, it's carefully repacked. We remove the supplier's original packing to ensure each product has been fully checked internally and is shipped in optimal condition. With everything ready, it's time to ship the orders. Each package is automatically directed to the correct carrier through an intelligent sorting system. As soon as the shipping label is scanned, a green light indicates where the package should be placed. Ensuring fast and accurate dispatching, we work with multiple logistics partners to guarantee that deliveries happen as quickly as possible. Speed, precision, and automation. Our fulfillment process just got smarter. At USAdrop, we are always looking for ways to optimize efficiency and speed, and our brand new automated conveyor belt system is the latest game changer. Instead of manually moving packages across stations, our high-speed conveyor belt ensures a seamless flow of products from sorting to dispatch. This innovation significantly reduces handling time, minimizes errors, and speeds of order fulfillment, allowing us to process higher volume of shipments faster than ever before. The system automatically directs each package to the correct carrier station, ensuring 100% accuracy in sorting. This means your products reach customers more quickly with maximum efficiency and precision. With this cutting-edge upgrade, USAdrop is setting the new standards in logistics, making sure every package is handled faster, smarter, and better. The best part are real-time connections between USAdrop warehouses. We are fully synchronized with our Dongguan warehouse in China. Through interconnected monitors, we can track everything happening simultaneously at both locations. This ensures seamless operations for optimizing processing and shipping times. This is USAdrop Warehouse, dedicated to providing efficiency, quality, and the speed in fulfilling your e-commerce orders. Want to learn more? Get in touch with us and discover how we can help your business grow.